Most people think a crypto wallet is like a regular leather wallet. You buy Bitcoin, and it downloads to your phone or a USB drive. You think if you lose the device, you lose the coins. But that is a massive myth. In reality, there are 0 coins inside your crypto wallet. Imagine the blockchain as a giant wall of transparent lockboxes. Each has a unique public number. That number is your public address. Anyone can look inside and see the exact balance. People can easily drop coins into your box, making the entire system completely transparent. But the box is unbreakable glass. The only way to access those coins is with a unique mathematical key. That is your private key. Your crypto wallet app simply stores this specific access code. It doesn't hold the money itself. It holds the key that gives you full control over your assets.